All right, boys and girls, the lesson that we needed to discuss yesterday, but we didn't have enough time to share with you, was how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. Now, that's the back side of your worksheet that you'll be working on today during class. The important pieces that we need to be aware of when we're finding the surface area of a triangular prism is that we can, again, just find the area of each surface and add them all together, but we could also use this formula where it says that the surface area is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism plus 2 times the area of the bases. So this capital B is the area of the base, and then the capital P is the perimeter of the base. So in this shape we have a triangular base, which means we're going to be using the formula of 1/2 times base times height. So the area of our triangular base would be 16 times 12 times 1/2. So our area would be, for one of the triangles, would be again 1/2 times 16 times 12, which is equal to 96. But then we have two triangles. So we have the triangle that's the front, and we have the triangle that's the back. So then we're going to take that 96 times 2, and that's going to be what we get for the area of our triangles, which is 192. So into the formula we could have 2 times the 96 so far, and then we just have to find the perimeter of the base, because the capital P is the perimeter of the base. Now, one of the things that we were missing in class today, and this is my fault, is I didn't see that this was an equilateral triangle, which means from here to here is 16 and from here to here is 16. So then the perimeter of the base is 16 plus 16 plus 16, or 16 times 3, and that's where this 48 that I'm writing down right now is coming from, is the perimeter of the triangle. So we find the perimeter of the triangle, and then we're going to multiply that by the height of the prism, which is also 48. Okay? So we have 48 times 48 plus 2 times 96. So you type all that stuff into your calculator, 48 times 48 plus 2 times 96, and we get the answer of 2,496. And because it is a area, it's going to be meters squared. Okay? Now that is finding the surface area. Now the volume, which we don't have to do on our worksheet for today, the volume is 1/2 times the length times the width times the height. So it's important that we understood all of those things. So it would be the 12 times the 16 times the 48 times 1/2. So it'd be 1/2 times 12 times 16 times 48, and that is equal to 4,608. And this, because it's volume, it's meters to the third power. Now again, folks, this is the specific formula for finding triangular, the surface area for that triangular prism. Again, the easiest thing to do would be just to find the area of all of the shapes. We have a triangle, a matching triangle, and then find the area of all of the rectangles and add them together. So that's what you're going to be doing on the back side of the worksheet. And again, for Thursday, you're going to have both the front and the back of this worksheet done that we gave you on Tuesday. So you'll have all of those problems done, showing all of your steps. All right, folks, thanks. Have fun today.